rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. Yeah, I'm rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. Rockin' old school, 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 rockin' old school. On August 11th, 1982, I was born to rock the mic a lot better than you. I got so many styles, they call me Kung Fu. Only colors that I see is black and blue. I'm a TKO when it comes to the flow. I'm as sharp as an arrow, you're as still as a bow. It's as simple as that. I bring old school back like cross colors and flannel stuck on the box channel. Everyone in town rocked the first down. One time I ripped it and all the feathers were on the ground. Those were the days, stuck in their ways, hanging on street corners, making minimum wage. Those were the days, stuck in our ways, hanging on street corners, making minimum wage. I'm rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. I'm rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. Rockin' old school, 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 rockin' old school. Starter jackets were the fashion. Parties we would crash them in the cold, drinking 40s like it was our passion. We didn't care if we got caught out there. We were just teenagers rocking old school pages. Do you remember? Mine would glow in the dark, walking around the streets, representing South Park. South side of Buffalo, kicking up the dirty snow. Listen to my dirty flow. Hey, motherfucking ho. Hey, yo, that's how we used to roll in the old school days with the baggy clothes, with my baggy full of dro, smoking blunts on the go. If I can go back, I'd be a Toys R Us kid. I don't regret one thing that I ever did, and if I ever did, wouldn't remember if I did. Those were the days, blazing up the trees, posted on the street below 0 degrees. Those were the days, blazing up the trees, posted on the street below 0 degrees. I'm rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. I'm rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. Rockin' old school, 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 rockin' old school.
Let me get this over here. So what I'm gonna do is record it. It's already recording.
Oh.
But it's okay. It's good.
I was all talking.
Are you in?
I'm rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck.
Damn it, I forgot the candy cigarette. Where'd they go?
Where the fuck
Where's
did
the
they
candy
go?
cigarette?
Where are the candy cigarettes?
Oh no! I forgot them. Hang on.
I'm old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. I'm rockin' old school like candy cigarettes. I'm rockin' old school, but you can't see me yet. I'm rockin' so cool, posted on the internet, reminiscing about the days recording on my tape deck. Rockin' old school, 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 rockin' old school. Hey!
Ah!
We'll be back.